Hi Van. Yeah, so this issue is on staging environment. It's working fine on test. So the date format for this Innovate staging tenant is MMDDYY. I haven't changed it. It was like this only. And now I am trying to create one report. So I added few fields, few columns here, and then try to select a date filter. When I select the date filter, it is showing an error. So for example, I select this customer date created. Yeah, so it is giving me this error. And if I try some other filter, it's working fine. So it must be related to some changes that are related to the date format. Yeah, so it is happening for all the date filters. Yeah, that's an issue. Thank you.